Okay, this is my very first unboxing. I've got this, it's a Friday, it's raining, I've got the day off. That's my puppy. And I'm just having a day where I don't say no to me and I'm just looking after myself. So I went down to my local amazing bookstore, Little Book of Soul, got myself a chai tea, which is my comfort love food, and this amazing set of cards, which I was just really drawn to. And I've got quite a few sets of Oracle cards, but sometimes it's just hearing it in a different language is exactly what you need. And this feels like a really mystical and beautiful and natural language. And I also got The Space Between the Stars. One of my clients recommended this book to me. He said that one of his friends wrote it, and so just felt really intrigued and listened. And as you all guys, everybody knows, I'm really big on trees and talking to trees and let us understand their patterns. So I've got this amazing book. So I will do a book review on this in the coming weeks. Hopefully in the coming week, if I really love it and I get into it. But back to this. Quite interesting that my beautiful little wolfhound cross kelpie is the backdrop to this. Okay. So I just went undone. So that's in the back. A little bit about the author. Ooh. Nice thick book. Let's see. Look at the pictures. I like it when they have the pictures inside. The writing's a good size. You can read that easily. Anyway, down to the good stuff, the cards. So that's what the back looks like. That is 52 cards, I think, unless it's another book that I read. Yep, 52 cards. So part of the reason I got this is because it was a mix of nature and mystery. So helpfully is a great word. So hopefully just helping me move out of my analytical mind and just coming back into a space where I'm in harmony with the earth. So beautiful. So this flower, yesterday and today, I feel like it's following me. The porcupine boundaries. So I wonder if any of you guys know whether the porcupine is similar or the same as the energy of the echidna. Because I know the echidna energy, but I'm not sure of the porcupine. So I suppose when I read it, I'll let you know. We might even have a comparison video on that. Okay, I think I'm in love. Amazing. I'm going to go and have a play now. Enjoy your Friday.